My look is almost complete. Who am I kidding? I look like my grandma. I just need some more options. Open closet app. I should start with a cute blouse. I love a good floral moment. Definitely need a cute skirt to match. And for the hair? Let's go with this one. And that's how you go from dork to dynamite. Oh, almost forgot about these. It's all in the little details, right? Wow, look at all these angles. He's more chilled than a triangle. I could solve him like a math problem. Just look at that face. Will he notice me today?
Oh, what's up? Looking good.
Pinch me! I'm dreaming! Is he seriously coming over here? Oh. Of course he's talking to Annie. Who wouldn't pay attention to a girl like that? A metallic skirt? I could never pull that off. Especially with these sad things. Ugh. Ugh. Hi, Mom. Rough day? At least you didn't spend it folding these. Be a doll and put them away. Thanks, sweetie. This day keeps getting better and better. Wait a minute. I know how to get more attention. I'll deal with all this later. I've got other things to do. That's better. Now to buckle this bad boy. Now for the moment of truth. But I could use a little more oomph. Much better. And for a top? I look like a new person! Looks pretty nice, right? Let's see him walk past me now.
Whoa! Is that really Chloe?
Oh, hey.
Go through a growth spurt last night?
You could say that.
What do you say we ditch class and head to the movies?
Whoa. Another dance competition, huh? No, I shouldn't. Aww. What's this? Dance classes? My prayers have been answered! Time to get groovy, people! And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Pow! That was great! See ya! Ah! Hello to you too! You want to dance? More than anything! Can you do this? I doubt it. I just wanna learn. Pretty please? Ugh. Okay. Fine. Just a small lesson. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Arms? Okay. Oh. And the feet? Is this right? Put it all together and spin! Oh my god, you totally did it! We'll work on that. I'm gonna go compete! Magic moves, people! Thank you! Thank you! I can barely see anything up here. Okay, don't focus on the audience. Just remember the moves. Focus. Spin. Don't forget to smile. Phew! That went great! Wow! They love me! They really love me! Phew! Look at them. What are they laughing at anyway? Sure looks like fun, though. I spend all my time studying for tests. That's it. That's how I get me some friends. This is gonna be great. This ought to get their attention. Yoo-hoo! Want the answers to next period's test?
See ya! You really have the answers? This is awesome!
Ugh, fine. Thanks, man! Hand them over. I'll need a smooch first. A kiss? I can't believe this. Okay. Here you go. I'm ready. Where are your lips? Oh yeah? Here you go. That's not a real kiss. Oh, should have been more specific. You see this? Read it! Don't worry. I'm here. My car ran out of gas. She's so beautiful. I'm gonna do it. Hi there. Ugh. What? Oh, nothing. Ew! Do you ever brush your teeth? That was so embarrassing. What happened? These happened. Oh, that's bad. Ugh. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Have some wax paper? Cut out a square like this. Then squeeze out some toothpaste. Now for the baking soda. Just a good sprinkle is good. Use your finger to smash the paste down. Then put it onto your teeth like this. Don't forget to tuck the bottom. And now, we wait. Let's take these puppies off. Hello, pearly whites. This seat free. Now's my chance. I'll shoot her a smile. Your teeth are like diamonds! The true way to a woman's heart. This suit still looks pretty good. Gotta love Grandpa hand-me-downs. Looking good. Hey, man. Is that what you're wearing? Loafers? What are you doing? This is a rock concert. I've never been to one before. I thought this was sharp. Wait a second. My lip ring. This won't hurt a bit. What's that for? No way! You'll look good with one. Come on! No! Oh, yeah! Don't get near me with that! I know what I'm doing! Get out of here! This is a no piercing zone! Oh, yeah? Of course! Staples, anyone? More like your new nose ring. Take a pen or marker and use it to round out the staple. That's all there is to it. Ready to get cool? Say hello to your new piercing, my friend! No real holes necessary. I feel like a rocker already! And leather looks good on me. This party's really bumpin'! What up, peeps? It's cool. We'll talk later. Hey! Sorry. I can't believe this! What a loser! It wasn't my fault! And my drink's gone! But maybe all I need is the ice. I got it! Yikes! Let's get rid of that stain with some ice. Let's spread these around a bit. Very nice. Now grab your favorite fabric dye. And sprinkle it over the ice like this. It's like putting salt on your pasta. Next color, please. Now that all the cubes are covered, let that ice melt. Yep, all the way down. This may take a while. But it's totally worth it when it looks like this. Watch out, girls! Here I come! Hi! Cool shirt! I've never seen anything like that before. Yep! Come dance with us! I thought you'd never ask. Think you could turn from geek to chic? Well, these tips ought to get you a lot closer. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out.